Stress and depression. These two words are mostly used interchangeably, and identifying the difference between these two can be tricky. There are certain overlaps that might lead a person to think that they are depressed, when in fact, they are just stressed. If you are feeling overwhelmed by stress, you're not alone. It's practically a fact of life on college campuses. A poll conducted by MTVU and the Associated Press in the spring of 2009 reported that 85% of students say that they experience stress on daily basis. Now, if I had to explain stress in some simple words, I'd like to say stress is not a mental health condition. It tends to have an obvious trigger like a move, a divorce, or an illness. Stress typically resolves as life events changes. Some stress caused by regular life challenges is unavoidable. And while feeling nervous about work presentation or frustrated by a parents-teacher meeting gone wrong is not fun. And the nervousness and the sadness you feel during these random events is stress and not depression. Then what is depression and how do we define it? Just like life challenges and low moods are not the same, stress and depression are also two different things. Everyone in the world feels low for some time in their life, but that doesn't mean that they are depressed. Because some random events in your daily life cannot trigger your mental health at an extreme level which can make you depressed. Because depression is a serious issue that involves feeling low for several weeks or months or even years or longer in some cases. So how do we differentiate between stress and depression? See, stress tends to change if life event changes, but depression, it can last up to years and longer. Stress tends to have an obvious trigger, but depression can hit out of nowhere. Stress is related to current events, but depression, it can be linked to unresolved past events. Stress at high levels has a risk of heart attack and some other diseases, but depression at a high level can cause suicidal thoughts. And if you want to see some signs of depression and stress, you can pause the video and read them out. It will be showing up on the screen. Now, most of the people think they are depressed, but that's not true. Many 14 to 15 years old are uploading their pictures on social media sites and talking stuff about depression. While they are not depressed, they are just stressed. Because the people, they don't even know the real meaning of depression. They also consider sadness as depression. Even if they are sad due to some reasons, and when you'll ask them what happened to you, they'll be like, I'm depressed. But that's not the case. And if you really want to know that whether you are stressed or depressed, go to the first link in the description and take out the stressed or depressed quiz, and you'll find out that whether you are depressed or stressed or both. Stay happy.